Alright, good afternoon everyone. Again, this is your friendship Sherman Fernandez. And of course, for today's video mga friendship, ayan, tatalakayin natin about sa mga Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr, which is a celebration of faith and gratitude. Alright mga friendship, sa mga kasama po natin, mga kapwa po natin OFW, lalong-lalo na po dito sa may Malaysia, salamat pagi, salamat malam semua. Ayan, at sana po ay mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Anyway mga friendship, ang ating topic for today's video ay about sa Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr. Alright, so maraming mga katanungan kung bakit o ano ba talaga ang Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr. So yun, ito ang ating magiging topic for today's video. Okay, so para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, ito po ay known as Eid al-Fitr is one of the most important festivals for Muslims in Malaysia. It marks the end of Ramadan, the Islamic holy month of fasting from dawn to sunset. Alright, aside from that mga friendship, Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr is a time to celebrate faith, gratitude, and forgiveness with family and friends. And one of the most traditions of Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr is Balik Kampung, which means returning to one's hometown. Many Malaysians who live and work in urban areas travel back to their ancestral villages or towns to reunite with their relatives. This often causes massive traffic jams on the highways, but also creates a festive atmosphere as the people exchange greetings and well wishes along the way. Another tradition of Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr is giving duit raya, which means money for the celebration. This is actually given by the elders to children or younger relatives in green packets as a symbol of blessings and generosity. Alright, aside from that mga friendship, we have here the third tradition of Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr is tinatawag nilang Bir Raya, which means visiting relatives and friends on the first day of Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr. Muslims go to the mosque for a special prayer, followed by a visit to the cemetery to pray for their departed loved ones. Right after that mga friendship, they visit their parents and elders to seek forgiveness and express gratitude. After that, they visit their neighbors, friends, and other relatives to share joy and happiness. During visitings or Bir Raya, guests are treated to a variety of delicious dishes that are specially prepared for Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr. Some of the most popular delicacies are katapat, or rice cakes wrapped in palm leaves, rendang, or spicy meat stew, lemang, glutinous rice cooked in bamboo tubes, and many more. Alright everyone, again, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Belated salamat Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr sa ating mga kapatid na Islam. Maaf Zahir and Batin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.